History is being made in Dubai this year with the launch of the Emirates' first ever Michelin guide. There's never been a better time to dine out in the Emirate that's famous for bringing together the food of over 200 resident nationalities.
Everywhere in the world, the Michelin star are awarded by our famously anonymous inspectors following our 5 universal criteria: the quality of the product, the mastery of cooking techniques, the harmony and balance in flavor, the personality as expressed on the plate, and last not least, the consistency both over time and throughout the menu as a whole. No doubt that the positive emulation that we are igniting with this very first selection will raise the bar for the years to come.
9 restaurants, including lauded local favourites Oceano and Tresin Studio, were among those to win 1 star. But the highest scoring restaurants, winning 2 stars, were Il Ristorante Nico Remito and Stay by Yannick Aleno.
We have 30% more customers like this. That's fantastic. So the world knows that you are in the best in town. I'm very proud to be one of the first chefs who came here to propose a gourmet destination. It's very important for the city because it means that the market is mature. There is so many restaurants with the very high quality. That's why Michelin come, you know, and to say now you are ready to be in the world selection. And the diversity of food, in fact, is unique in the world. You see the diversity you have in town, it's crazy. It's European, Arabic, Asian, India, Baba, everything is fantastic. It's a kind of firework of food.
Having won 1 Michelin star, Tresin Studio is now on a mission to win another.
It feels amazing to win my first Michelin star. I think it will motivate the staff. So there is pressure to retain 1 and there is a motivation to go for 2. So I think in the kitchen, this will help us a lot to see where we are right now and how far we can go for next year. There are a few amazing dishes in my menu. The one which I'm really proud of is actually called Sadhya. And it's actually named after a ceremony in Kerala. In this ceremony, they sit on the floor, they have a banana leaf in front of them, and the whole meal is being served on this leaf one by one. Pickles to papadum to curry, rice, even a portion of dessert is served on the same leaf. I'm really proud of that dish is because we try to evoke the same emotion, the same nostalgic moments of this ceremony.
Although Dubai has a wealth of fine dining options, this humble harbourside diner has made a name for itself on the city's food scene.
Three Phils landed first place in MENA's 50 Best Restaurants, a Middle East and North Africa offshoot of the world's 50 Best Restaurants. It ranks winning restaurants in order of the number of votes received from a panel of anonymous judges. With best-selling dishes such as Hokkaido scallops, dragon sushi rolls and Wagyu overload burger coming in at between 10 and 20 euros, Three Phils offers affordable, award-winning dining in one of Dubai's most atmospheric settings.
To taste a whole world of flavours under one roof, head to Time Out Market, Dubai.
Foodies flock here to sample a smorgasbord of best-selling dishes from different homegrown vendors. The concessions include American-style pit fire pizza. Its newest addition, the Truff Daddy, is a char crust pizza laced with olive oil and black truffle paste, molten pecorino and parmesan cheeses, mushrooms, caramelized onions, a swirl of white truffle oil, and a dash of black truffle cream.
When I have out-of-town guests, it's the best place to have all the local food in one place. Really, any kind of cuisine you want, you can find it here, and I'm always finding new favorites. Anyone who knows me knows I love the garlic knots from Pit Fire Pizza. I am a long-time orderer. I get them fresh here.
Over at Portuguese place Lana Lusa, diners can take on the francesinha, a sandwich of epic proportions made with layers of cheese, steak, beef ham and beef chorizo, topped with more cheese, hot spicy tomato sauce and a fried egg. And don't leave without grabbing a takeout of pastéis de nata. The classic Portuguese egg custard tarts are selling like hotcakes.